Hello everyone, I am here to do some unboxing for my Reborn Jacob, which my neighbor had given me some stuff that she's not going to use anymore. So let's get started. We have a bib that says Great Catch. Then we got another bib that says Cute as a Bug. Then we got just a plain blue one. Another blue one that says Professional Mess Maker. Then we got one that has a koala, or I guess it's a koala. It looks like a teddy bear to me. Plus a seal and a penguin. Then we got one that says Team Rex. Then the back side of this one is a dual. You can use either side. Then we got another one like this. Then we got one as a leopard. Then we got one that says Tiny but Tough. Then she had some diapers left over from hers. Then some little keys, toy keys. Then we got a pair of pants. What size are these? I don't even know if these are going to fit him. These might fit him. I'll just try them. Then we got a sippy cup that has a little squishmallow, which is for me. And it has a pacifier with Mickey Mouse. Oh, shoot. Then we have another pacifier like this. Then we have baby powder. Then a little collector spoon. Then she had given me a little eraser. Another bib that says Superman. Then this is a bath towel. Then, okay, this is an outfit. Pair of pajamas, pair of mitts, undershirt, and a blanket. The blanket is vintage. Wow. I'm not even going to take it out of that. I'm going to leave it in there. Then here's a couple of sheets for the bassinet he sleeps in. Then we got a pair of pajamas for him. Then this is a t-shirt, just I guess goes with the pajamas. Then we got, that looks like a bib, a pair of pants, a bib and a pair of pants in there. Then this has got a washcloth and the tie-dye t-shirt that I had given her when her baby was little. Then we got a little diaper cover. Then we got one of those things that you can put a baby in to keep them snuggled together. And that is all for the box. And you guys have a good day now. Bye.